Okay, so this right here is the HYVE Wi-Fi or Bluetooth product. So I've got it hooked up to a 4-way splitter. This right here is the hose running to a single sprinkler head made by Orbit. And here in a second I'll show you what the sprinkler is. It's the H206 gear drive. It's got a metal spike that keeps it pretty sturdy in the ground. It's got different adjustments for longer distance or wider or whatever. So real quick, I'll go ahead and show you what the app looks like. Okay, you can see right here, this is my home screen. When you first set it up, it's very self-explanatory. It'll have you make an account and connect your product. There's no need for me to make a video. The app is very self-explanatory. So this is my home screen. I've already set up 2 programs, is what they're going to call them. They're presets basically. So if I click on morning, I can hit edit, and then from here you can select the days that you want. You can select only on even days in the month, odd days, or intervals. You can also set a budget for your watering, how much you want down there. So I've got my start time for in the morning, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays for 6:30, and for 15 minutes right here is where you can set the time limit. So 6:30 on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday mornings, I have that. And then on the evenings, it's the exact same, but I have it set to 9:30. It's 21:30 hours military time. So same thing, 15 minutes, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Also, I can manually set it off by clicking this remote button at the bottom. And if I hit play, I can, well, before that, you can adjust the time. It also shows you about how many gallons you're going to be using. It's pretty neat. So in 10 minutes, roughly use 17.3 gallons of water. So if I hit play, and it starts going. If I want it to stop, I just hit stop, and there is a few second delay. It takes about 3 or 4 seconds for it to actually kick on. And same thing, when you hit stop, it'll take another 3 or 4 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to show you from the app. If you use the remote button and you hit play or start, whatever you want to call it. See that it turns it on. There's a timer. Its default setting for me is 10 minutes. Back to this, I'm going to hit stop. Takes it a second. And there it goes.